Morning, Gary here from Wood. Today we're going to do a review of the Toolmate planer. We'll start out with its functionalities, how to use it effectively, and then do a quick demonstration. Starting out with the feed tables, they fold out on both sides. We'll see the back later, with a stainless steel feeding tray. It has a minimum depth there of just over 1 centimeter and a minimum length of just on 20 centimeters. The wider the board, the less that one should take off. Very incremental adjustments to the blade. The thinner the width, the more you can take off. Couple of points when using it. If you're getting snipe, and snipe is when there's a depression at the end of the board. There's a couple of things that can cause that. Dull blades, or in-feed or out-feed tables out of alignment, where you've got dirt on the rollers. If you get torn grain when you plane, you're either setting the blade too deep a cut, or you're feeding the piece against the grain. Always feed it with the grain. If it comes out like fuzzy and you aren't happy with the smoothness of it, it's probably due to either, again, a too deep a blade setting, dull blades, or high wood moisture content. The best way to do things is take small pieces off at the same time. We adjust the planer just so it starts to touch. We'll do a couple of passes so it takes automatically. I don't have a dust collection system, so this is going to be particularly messy. Let's see what happens. Surface. So the last thing to do is give an overall review of it and my experience with this particular planer. For its price point, I think it rates a 5 out of 5, which what I need it for. There's more than enough versatility. It's robust and deals with all the do-it-yourself planning that I need to do. Example of that's the one side, you can see it's fairly rough, and that's the result of the other side. So on a recommendation point of view, I would definitely recommend this for the do-it-yourself enthusiast. That's a big word for me. Person that's keen on doing do-it-yourself. If you like the videos I'm producing, please like, hit the notification button, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, until next time.